To create a coming soon page on Wix, start by logging into your Wix account and navigating to the website you want to add the page to. If you don't have a website yet, create a new one by clicking on the Create a Site button. Once you are in the website editor, click on the Add Page button at the top left corner of the screen and select the Coming Soon template from the available options. Wix offers a variety of coming soon templates that you can customize to fit your needs. Choose the template that best suits your website and click on the Choose Template button to add it to your site. The Coming Soon page will be added as a new page on your website. To customize the Coming Soon page, click on the page and start editing the content. You can change the text, images, and background to match your website brand. Make sure to include a clear and concise message that informs visitors about the upcoming launch of your website. Add a countdown timer to create a sense of anticipation and excitement. You can also add a mailing list sign-up form to collect email addresses from interested visitors. To set the Coming Soon page as the homepage, go to the page settings and select the Set as Homepage option. This will ensure that visitors see the Coming Soon page when they visit your website. Finally, click on the Publish button to make your Coming Soon page live. Make sure to test your page to ensure it looks and functions as expected. By following these steps, you can create a professional-looking Coming Soon page on Wix that will generate excitement and anticipation for the launch of your website. Remember to keep your Coming Soon page simple, informative, and engaging, and to update it regularly to keep visitors informed about the progress of your website.